Hello everyone and welcome to my updated packaging video. Today I will show you how I currently package my orders. Hopefully you will find it helpful. First, I collect my items that people have ordered. Here's a view of my desk. I've got my buttons on the right, there's pens and other things I need during packaging, and of course envelopes. These are standard, small padded envelopes, middle envelopes and A5 padded envelopes. And of course a leaflet with the prices for packaging. To print out the customer's address, I use these Avery stickers. You can just peel them off one by one. Now I start putting together the orders from the collected items. I use the Avery stickers on the envelope and then assort the collected items to the envelope. Buttons come into little padded envelopes, stickers are in standard envelopes, etc. To write my thank you notes, I had these A7 square notepads printed on recycled paper. It's a really great way to brand your thank you notes, and it's a lot cheaper and easier than other options. I buy my tissue paper in bulk and then pre-cut it to the sizes that I use for packaging my items. Here's my most important packaging drawer with my backing cards, which are open secret, essentially just business cards. My envelope sealing stickers, my freebie stickers with my Rebel mascot on, my notepads that I just showed you, and of course my pre-cut bubble wrap that I use for jewellery and pins, and it's just all pre-used bubble wrap, just cut down into pieces. Here are my bigger backing cards. They're just postcards that I then cut in half. Here are my stamps. They're all on Avery style sticker sheets. These can just be peeled off one by one, and I bought them all on the German Postal Services website. Now that you know which packaging materials I used, I'll now show you them in action. was my updated packaging video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions whatsoever concerning packaging and branding, please leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. And I hope you have a great day. Bye bye!